This journey begins at the farm, where ripe pomegranates are harvested entirely by automated systems. Each fruit is handled gently to protect its skin and precious juice inside. From the field, the harvest flows directly into a fully sealed processing facility. Advanced air cleaning systems remove surface debris before inspection begins. Artificial intelligence now examines every pomegranate, inside and out. After inspection, each pomegranate is graded with absolute precision. Only the highest quality fruit moves forward into production. The system prepares the harvest for multiple transformation paths. Juice, concentrates, powders, and extracts all begin from this moment. One fruit, many outcomes, all guided by automation. Cleaning begins with multiple automated wash stages. Soft brushes and purified water remove surface contaminants. Moisture levels are precisely controlled at every step. Ultraviolet systems ensure complete surface sanitation. The fruit is now fully prepared for internal processing. Precision cutting systems open each fruit without damage. The arils are exposed cleanly and consistently. Gentle separation releases the seeds naturally. Each aril is preserved in its original form. Nothing is wasted. Even the outer rind continues onward. Fresh arils are pressed using cold extraction methods. The juice flows naturally, rich in color and flavor. Fine filtration ensures clarity and consistency. Gentle heat treatment guarantees safety without loss. Pure pomegranate juice is now complete. Some juice is transformed through careful reduction. Water is removed without burning or overcooking. Thickness and flavor are constantly monitored. The result is rich pomegranate molasses. Sauces and glazes emerge from the same base. Concentrated juice forms the base for preserves. Natural thickeners are added with precision. Heat activates structure without destroying flavor. Jam and jelly take shape at this stage. These bases are now ready for finishing. Some juice begins a slow fermentation process. Oxygen and temperature are carefully controlled. Natural acidity develops over time. Flavor deepens without additives. Pure pomegranate vinegar is formed. Concentrate is transformed into dry form. Moisture is removed instantly and gently. Color and nutrients remain intact. Particle size is carefully controlled. Pomegranate powder is now complete. Valuable compounds are carefully extracted. No harsh chemicals are used. Purity is refined through filtration. Extracts are prepared for supplements. Capsule production begins here. Pomegranate pigments are naturally concentrated. No synthetic dyes are added. Bright color remains stable. Purity is preserved throughout. Natural food coloring is ready. Whole Arils are preserved for fresh applications. Blending creates balanced salsa bases. Sweet fillings are carefully reduced. Texture is closely controlled. These bases are ready for final shaping. Extracts are transformed into precise doses. Each capsule is filled with exact measurements. Automated systems seal them securely. Surface polishing ensures cleanliness. Supplements are now ready for packaging. Sweet fillings are carefully prepared. Precise molding defines final shape. Cooling sets the structure gently. Automated release prevents damage. Candy fillings are complete. Salsa reaches its final balance. Gentle mixing protects fresh texture. Flavor is monitored continuously. Safety treatment is light and controlled. The salsa is now complete. Every product undergoes final inspection. Vision systems detect even minor defects. Weight and purity are verified. Only perfect items move forward. Quality is enforced without exception. Products are staged for packaging. Flow is carefully synchronized. Spacing ensures efficiency. Packaging materials arrive in sequence. The final phase is about to begin. Finished products move into primary packaging. Filling is precise and consistent. Liquids and powders are handled separately. Air gaps are eliminated automatically. Containers are now ready to be sealed. Containers are sealed automatically. Torque and pressure are tightly controlled. Induction sealing prevents contamination. Leaks are detected instantly. Only secure packages move ahead. Each product receives its label. Alignment is checked instantly. Trace codes ensure full transparency. Vision systems confirm accuracy. Products are now fully identified. Individual units are grouped together. Cartons form automatically. Products are secured for transport. Seals close without waste. Secondary packaging is complete. Cartons are stacked efficiently. Pallets are aligned automatically. Wrapping secures the load. Tracking codes are applied. Products are ready for storage. Finished products enter controlled storage. Temperature zones protect quality. Humidity remains precisely balanced. Storage is fully automated. Products remain stable until shipment. Inventory is managed digitally. Every pallet is tracked in real time. Retrieval happens on demand. Flow remains continuous. Efficiency replaces manual handling. Orders are assembled automatically. Products are sorted by destination. Accuracy is verified instantly. Mixed shipments are rebuilt. Orders are ready to ship. Export rules are applied automatically. Labels match destination requirements. Compliance is digitally verified. Scanning confirms readiness. Shipments are cleared for travel. Shipments reach the loading docks. Loading is fully automated. Balance and safety are verified. Doors seal for transport. Products begin their journey. Distribution extends worldwide. Every route is digitally tracked. Timing remains precise. Logistics stay synchronized. One factory serves many markets. Nothing is discarded. Byproducts are separated automatically. Materials are cleaned and prepared. Each stream has a purpose. Waste becomes a resource. Byproducts gain new value. Fibers are refined and reused. Antioxidants are recovered. Secondary products are formed. Efficiency extends beyond food. Energy is recovered internally. Organic waste produces power. Heat is reused efficiently. Renewable systems support operations. Sustainability is built in. Every system works together. Production flows without waste. One fruit becomes many products. Automation drives consistency. This is the future of food processing.